I'm so excited and happy to be here with you all. I just wanted to share a little bit about myself. My name is Ashley Cloud. I'm from Houston, Texas. Nice job! How about them Rockets? Because them Stros really disappointed us, y'all. So I went to the University of Houston. I graduated in 2009. And exactly 10 years ago, I was on Twitter, when Twitter had just got popping about 2009, and I saw a tweet about the National Blackprelaw Conference, and I said, okay, that's something that I'm really interested in participating in. I didn't come from a family of lawyers. I didn't have any lawyers in my family, and I really knew that I wanted to go to law school, but I wasn't exactly sure about how to make that happen for myself. And so I decided to come to the pre-law conference, and it really was life-changing for me. And I have probably been to this conference about 6 times since that first time, and this is my first time as a practicing attorney. So this is really a full circle moment for me. I want to thank Evangeline so much for everything that you've done. For 15 years, this is amazing, and to see the conference grow is it's really amazing to see. And like I said, this conference was life-changing for me, and I just wanted to share a little bit about why and how what I learned at this conference has resonated with me and it's stayed with me since coming here 10 years ago. The first thing that I'll say to you is the power of networking and your network. It is so important to make sure that you're connecting with your peers, with individuals who you look up to, potential mentors, gatekeepers. You never know who you might run into and who you might meet. You also don't know who you might leave this conference with and become lifelong friends. Y'all will probably see a picture of me when I was like from 10 years ago at this conference, and I'm standing there with 2 of my friends. One of those friends I met that same day, and she is one of my absolute best friends, and she will be a bridesmaid in my wedding. And that was all because of Evangeline and this conference. So that the importance of your network it's so crucial, because at the end of the day, we're all going to leave here as lawyers. That's the bare minimum. Getting your law degree and doing well in school, that's just the foundation. But what'll make the difference is who you connect with and the relationships that you build while you're here and in your future. The second thing that I will say is to always pay it forward. That's why I come to this conference and I talk to anyone who will listen to me about law school. I know how much it meant to me to be here 10 years ago when I came, and I know how important it is for you all to have this resource of information, because it's hard out here for us, right? And a lot of us don't come from families with a lot of lawyers, and so we really don't know. We know that it's been put on our heart that we want to be lawyers, but we don't know how to make that happen. And so coming to this conference will really help you with doing that. And I hope that you remember how important this was for you now, and I hope that you'll consider coming back and contributing in any type of way that you can to this conference. And anytime someone reaches out to you and is talking about law school, that you can provide them with some really helpful information. The last thing that I wanted to say, and I think having talked to a few aspiring attorneys this morning, is to make sure that you stay true to who you are. We all have one dream of becoming an attorney, but that looks like a lot of different things for all of us. We're all individuals. We were all put on this earth for different reasons, and you can't lose sight of that. There will be so much information thrown at you, a lot of advice, a lot of great advice, but sometimes it might not be for you. And you have to make sure that you take what you need from the advice that you're given and you leave what you don't. Because what I've heard just this morning is a lot of people being discouraged from doing things that they're interested in because it might not have worked out for that particular person who gave them that advice. So make sure that you stay true to what you want to do. Make sure that you are true to your purpose and what you were put on this earth to do. So I just wanted to say those few things. I'll be around to, in and out to help you guys with anything that y'all have. Evangeline, again, thank you so much for allowing me to speak. I look forward to connecting with all of you here, and enjoy this and take as much of this as you can and carry it with you in everything that you do. Thank you so much.